Apparently, someone pressed the button. I was wondering. I was like, why it says 24 hours? Wait. Too much stuff going on. What's going on? Yo, my fault for keep resetting, bro. I just need process of what the heck is happening. Oh. Yo.
Why would you press it?
Oh my god.
On some gamer shit.
He actually has an alarm for it? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, that's tough. Yo, he really gotta go.
Fuck up! Shit loud!
Yo, he really gotta go. Nah. Yo, that's fire.
Middle of a sponsor.
This is his spot. I ain't gonna lie, no. Nah, that's messed up. That's messed up.
I'm in the middle of a sponsor. I mean, who clicked it? Who fucking shit is loud?
Yo. Nah, that's wild.